Konnichiwa. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write Re Hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. Re. This character consists of two strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this downward stroke. Remember, in hiragana, there are three ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. The first stroke ends with a stop. The second stroke is this one. First, it goes from left to right, and it goes diagonally to the left, and it goes back up to the right. Then it curves down and curves outwards with a sweep at the end. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, and 2. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。